Hey guys, in this quick video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to see archived photos in Instagram 2022. So what you need to do first is go to on Instagram, then go to on your profile. After that you have to archive one photo. Then you have to go to on this three dot bar. After that click on this archive photo. Then you can see my photo is archived. Then where you can find this archived photo, I will show you. You have to click on this view archive. This is a new option that you have to update. You have to have the updated Instagram app. You need to click on it, view archive. You can see my archived photo is here. After that you have to click on the photo, then you have to click on this three dot bar again. After that you have to click on show on profile, then you have to go to back on your profile, and you can see my photo is unarchived. So that's how you can archive and unarchive the photo in Instagram in 2022. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Peace.